Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? I am Dan from Trading with Dan. This is our quick Bitcoin morning update. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we shall go straight over to those Bitcoin for our charts. So yes, obviously we have the FOMC tomorrow. So potential market move in there. We have this wedge that it kind of looks like we're dropping out of, but not that I'm one for wanting to keep changing patterns. Maybe we could actually draw it more like this. So in that case, we are obviously at a point. It's not like I've just lined it up to here. Obviously I've lined up these 2 points here. So obviously maybe we're still within the wedge basically. So not dropped out of it yet. Obviously dropping out of it, dropping low into the support and losing the support would certainly result in a what I think would be an aggressive move down to at least I would guess it probably come into like towards the 20,000s, but we'd have to see. Obviously notwithstanding, we can bounce off here, move to the top and then break out the top. If you want to look at stocks to get a gauge, they are sort of bull flagging it out at this high, at this resistance. I mean, they're extremely strong looking here, so it is obviously surprising the whole market. Not the whole market, but it is surprising a lot of people, the relentless grind higher at the moment in stocks with no real pullback. As you can see, it's been we've got to resistance, we consolidated, we broke back up, we consolidated, we broke back up. There's no real pulling back or back test. So yeah, pretty aggressive move up. Dollar index though, potential warning signs here. This is looking like it wants to take out these take out obviously this lower high pattern. I guess technically this was a higher high to this high, but yeah, looking to move back up here, obviously above this support area too. So yeah, we could be having a medium term pullback. 10-year not doing too much. And then what else do we look at? Yeah, oil obviously relatively important for the Fed and the inflation obviously concerns. That is still looking okay for us at present. So yeah, I mean, it's hard to say. It's hard to like imagine we can blast onwards and upwards from here, but we've been doing that recently. But yeah, I mean, it would make perfect sense for straight sideways to down in here. If you want to look at Bitcoin as well, I mean, whilst it's in basically no man's land here, it's not managed to accelerate up to any important next levels, which is clearly not a bullish sign. So obviously if we hold the support, then yeah, fair enough, we can bounce on here and then have a move up towards these next resistance levels. But if not, if we lose this and come back down, then yeah, I mean, certainly we could drop back into this range here and then bounce around here for a more of a prolonged period. If we want to also look at, what else did I want to look at? If we also wanted, oh yeah, that was it. The Ethereum Satoshi pairing, it is having a little bit of a pullback here into this support here, well, close to the support. So if it holds above here, then yeah, we will still be looking all good. If we lose this, then we're potentially medium term top, and we are going to come and try and trade low in this ratio. And it's very similar with the USD pairing, above this support, below this resistance. If we lose the support, then yeah, we'll probably see a move, a medium term top here, and then we'll try and put in a higher low relative to these lows here. If not, obviously get supported here, bounce up here, onwards and upwards, and then yeah, happy days. Quick look at stochastics then. 4 hour looking to turn up from a quite low level here. Downward pressure from the 10 hour though, downward pressure from the 12 hour. I suspect daily is looking, it's turning down from here also. By daily though, higher time frame not looking so bad. 3-day is turning down from a lower level. Even this 5-day, it's kind of losing its upward impetus. Weekly not looking bad. Bi-weekly, well, I mean, I want to say it's a good read. It's turned up from a low level. I think I say this every day, but we can't look at this and say this is the great read, because yeah, clearly we could have something like this happen and we do just stay down here, and then monthly still coming down as well. So I mean, overall, stochastic read is obviously giving us a bit of a warning sign that we could be getting a bit tired. The upward momentum could be getting lost here, and then we do actually trade some meaningful downsides and meaningful back tests, maybe literally even down towards 20k, but just not break it and not take out these lows. So Yeah, that is pretty much it. Relatively quick one today. Remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I shall speak to you guys soon.